How to make huge money. Keep this in mind. Money is not the goal. It's a tool, a lever to influence the world. Forgetting that truth is universal stupidity. What you don't control controls you. I consider these words the foundation of a man's mindset. And that applies to money too. Only a man who has solved his financial problem can say that money isn't happiness. 1. Time equals money. You've heard the phrase, time is money, 1,000 times. But have you ever really understood it? Remember the movie In Time with Justin Timberlake, where time itself was the currency? People paid with minutes of their lives, earned hours by working, and even paid taxes in time. That wasn't just fiction. That's how life actually works. Let me explain. When I worked as a freelancer and didn't know how to price my work, I simply multiplied the hours I'd spend on the task by the hourly rate I believed my time was worth. Later, in IT, we did the same. Developers' hourly cost times the proj. The same math applies to life itself. You sell pieces of your life in exchange for money. A business owner understands this perfectly and uses it to his advantage. If you earn $10 an hour and buy a $40 meal, you just traded 4 hours of your existence for a plate of food. That coffee you drink for $5, that's 30 minutes of your life gone. Your lifetime looks like this: lifetime, work time, rest, sleep, equals what's left of your real life. It's harsh, but it's the truth. The difference between the poor and the rich: priorities and values. The poor save money at the cost of their time. The rich spend money to buy back time and comfort. As John D. Rockefeller said, "Whoever works all day has no time to make money." Want to earn more? Help others save time. Every successful business solves 2 problems. It gives comfort and saves time. Food delivery, taxis, online shopping, all are built on that principle. They sell time and ease. Think about how just 5 years ago, you had to call to order a taxi or cook your own dinner. Now it's one tap away. That's why these industries exploded. They solve people's most valuable problem: time. Find what helps people and what you enjoy doing. Where those 2 meet, lies your profitable purpose. 3. Work for skills, not money. Your income directly depends on your skill set. The rarer and harder your skill, the higher your value. Anyone can mop floors. Only a few can manage others or lead a company. It's easier to become a millionaire by increasing your earning potential, not by living like a monk. Stop saving like a beggar to maybe live good someday. Instead, learn skills that pay you forever. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Invest in it. Sales, marketing, negotiation, communication, that's the modern goldmine. Where attention flows, money follows. That's why advertising, media, and storytelling will never die. My own channel grew to 200,000 subscribers in 4 months. Proof that media is the new oil. 4. Value your time. Information saves time. That's why I share it. There was an experiment. 2 groups were given a fitness program. One paid for it. The other got it for free. Guess which group actually followed through? Exactly, the ones who paid. Because we only value what costs us something. If you constantly try to please everyone, your time and energy will be worth nothing. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. That's why I never give away premium knowledge for free. Free things are treated carelessly. 5. Control your money. Here's how I personally split my income. 50% living expenses, food, rent, car. 10% safety cushion, savings. 10% investments. 30% personal growth, courses, education, consulting. Track your spending, always. Use apps or spreadsheets. Doesn't matter how, just do it. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try. One subscriber told me how he discovered a cashback loophole on a marketplace, buying goods with 60% cashback and reselling them for profit. He made $400 in 2 weeks. Simple, smart, real. The point isn't the trick, it's that opportunities exist. You just have to move. Learn to spend. As Bernard Shaw said, economy is the art of spending money without pleasure. We grind to live better, not to suffer. Don't hoard money like a dragon. Invest it, circulate it, feel it. When you reward yourself, your brain links money to pleasure, not pain. That's how you keep your drive alive. Go to expensive restaurants, taste success. Let your brain remember what wealth feels like, and it will push you to create more of it. Experience luxury with purpose. Even something simple, like coffee, can teach you wealth. Have one in a 5-star hotel. Watch how successful people act, talk, breathe. Notice how the truly rich respect waiters and treat others politely. That's the real difference between wealth and pretense. The higher you go, the more mutual respect you'll find. Invest. If you live paycheck to paycheck, start small. Even 10% matters. Enjoy life, yes, but build your foundation. Remember the story of the Indian sage who asked a king to double grains on each chessboard square. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. By the 64th square, it required more grain than existed on Earth. That's compound interest, the most powerful force in finance. Example: invest $1,000 at 15% yearly and add $50 monthly. After 15 years, you'll have $40,000. After 30 years, $430,000. After 45 years, $4 million. Wealth comes not from... Final message: money isn't the goal. It's the byproduct of understanding time, skill, and value. Master these 3, and the rest follows.